What makes wearables waterproof?
Waterproof wearables are specially designed devices that resist water, sweat, and moisture. Their secret lies in careful engineering and material selection. Manufacturers use tightly sealed casings, durable coatings, and protective layers. These barriers prevent tiny water droplets from getting inside sensitive electronic components, making sure your device stays safe during heavy workouts, rainy walks, or even a quick shower.
Sealed designs and gaskets.
Inside every waterproof wearable, you'll find gaskets, flexible rubber or silicone rings, tightly sealing gaps where water could sneak in, like at charging ports and buttons. Many wearables skip open ports entirely, using wireless charging or touch controls. These mechanical seals are tested to withstand pressure, ensuring no water enters even when submerged or exposed to sweat for extended periods.
Water-repellent coatings.
Advanced coatings add another layer of protection. Manufacturers often use water-repellent chemicals, like nano-coatings, to line every electronic surface inside the device. These ultra-thin coatings cause water to bead up and roll away, reducing the risk of corrosion and short circuits. Even if water does get inside, these coatings help keep the electronics safe and working.
Rating water resistance, IP and ATM standards.
Wearables are tested and rated for water resistance using official scales, like the IP, Ingress Protection Code or ATM rating. An IP67 or IP68 rating means your device can handle sweat, rain, and brief submersion. A 5 ATM rating means it survives water pressure up to 50 meters deep. Always check these ratings to know what your device can handle.
Everyday benefits and maintenance.
Waterproofing means confidence. You don't have to worry about rain, sweat, or accidental splashes. You can wear your device during workouts, while washing hands, or even in the shower. To keep protection strong, rinse your wearable after exposure to salt or chlorine, and avoid charging it while wet. With proper care, your device stays safely by your side, rain or shine.